can I just clarify one thing, right? And on offside, you guys will, because I am confused.
It's changed so many times.
It used to be when I was younger, it was like your foot.
Yeah.
And now it's shoulders, right?
I daylight for a bit as well.
No, because it's not arms, it's shoulders, right?
Yeah.
I just think that's,
No
sorry,
one knows.
my language, that's bollocks.
Yeah.
It should just be, is your foot over or not? That's how it's always been. I think now it's like shoulder. If there's shoulders out, it's like, oh, you're offside. I just think goals 100% need to be more in Premier, and it's not for the attackers anymore. It's for the defenders. Yeah. I get some of the decisions are wrong, and by the way, we all wanted VAR to come in because there was some really mad decisions that never, which would have cost millions of pounds for clubs getting relegated or winning titles. But now it's getting... It's just
Coventry in the FA Cup semi against you lot. Fairy tale stories.
Yeah, you're so right. You're so right. That
They'd
was
come
recent.
down from 3-0, come back from 3-0 down, whatever.
I agree.
Scored a winner in extra time and it was toenail, wasn't it?